Hello, we'll be ready anytime soon. Let me just settle things a little bit. Hold on, can I just do this? All right, I think we're ready. We're ready. So, hi guys, we're back in it again. So hi Em, I just saw hi Em, saw you with the saw you with the emotes. How's it going? So yeah, hi everyone. So we're back again with another homework stream. So yeah. The reason I'm actually doing this more oftenly is because I need to because I got some plans to do this week for the game jam. So that's why I'm just rushing in. It's always muted on my Wait, hold on. It could be my mic. No, my mic is fine. We're good. Okay. My It's alright, no worries. It's probably because you had like multiple stuff at the same time. I'm good. I slept once I got home. Perfect. Perfect. Glad you actually slept once you got home. You needed that long rest. Also, it was early in the morning, the class we had, so obviously you need it. Oh, it's my end. Alright, good. Alright. I think we can start after rearranging my room. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. So basically, after a hard days of work, you need after a hard day of a hard work. Yeah, I can't speak. It's been a long day. After a long day of work, you might as well take a nap. All right. So, what are we doing today? So, for today, we are going to do a work stream, obviously. So, we are going to do a little bit of home. So basically, once again, we are doing a bit of a homework just to get in line in time with my other stuff. Because this week it was because this week is game jam, so I have to put my stuff in it. So I want to rush some stuff a little bit first before it happens. So we're gonna do a little bit of Python, probably a max 8, and afterwards we could start a little bit of a gaming too as well. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. Without further ado, we can get it started. So let me just switch to my main. And here we go. So this is the infamous Python homework that I had to do. It's technically not. It's technically more of a practice sheet of doing stuff. It's more like a practice sheet of what we learned since I think since Monday, basically. So everything we learned Python up to now. So what I'm going. So I already done task 1, which is basically simple. It's basically like it's basically like fill out all those tasks, and there is up to 21 if I'm not mistaken, or 12. Oh no, it's up to 21. Holy cow. Yeah, it's up to 23. So we'll be there for a while. So here we'll be there for a while. So we might not be able to do the homework the one with the sound design probably. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do Python today, and then see how far we can reach. So how does Python work? So basically, Python is basically another language program that people use this time to time. This was originally supposed to be PHP, which is no. Which no, it's because it's much more easier when it comes to like navigation stuff. This is much more easier when it comes to like I do understand why it's easier when it comes to server programming, but thank goodness that the teacher switched to Python, cause my goodness, my soul was not ready to go with another Python episode all over again. So we did that instead. So we're doing this. So what I'm gonna do is that So what am I gonna do is we can get started. So I already done task 1, which is basically add a parenthesis to the Python statement below so that it prints out of out the number 7. So basically we have a little bit we need to do a little bit math equation. So if I give you an example, let me just comment this out. So for example, if I print So for example, if this is not working, for example, the original print will go like this. So I need to I need to type Python on the terminal with print. No, not print. Python with literally the worksheet, which is worksheet / a.py. And then once we run it, it will run the math. And then the output expected to be 7. And now the answer is 12. So if you've done a little bit of math high school before, your answer, the answer to get it 7 only, without changing the numbers, is to get the is to add the parentheses between 10 plus 4. So basically 10 plus 4, which this will go first, will goes to 14 divided by 2, which equals to 7. So if we run it like this, so let's run it again with the Python. And then once it run, and then now my first answer is 12, which is the original one, and the below one, it's 7, which is this answer. So we solved task 1 easily, not that much of a deal. So moving on to task. So I'm going to comment out this just to avoid any confusion. And now we are going to do task 2. Task 2, which is basically task 2. Change the operator in the statement below so it displays true instead of false. So basically, I'm going to leave this. So not to confuse, I'm going to put a hashtag here. So this is the original. This is the original code, which is printing out the number 14 is bigger than 15. So basically, this statement is basically print me that 14 is high. It's a greater number than 15, which is, well, false. Because if I do this, it will print me out as false because, come on, 15 is a bigger number than 15 is a bigger number than 14. So our answer will be something. So our answer will be something a little bit like this. So we're going to do a print. We're gonna take that, and then we're gonna pull, and then we're gonna switch this to this. So now this is supposed to work. Well, technically, this will turn me into truth instead of false. So we're gonna do this, copy paste, and yep, here we go. Expected output truth. All right, so this is, so task 4 complete. So we complete task 4, perfect. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I want to comment it. And now we'll move on to task 3, which I see is a bit tricky now. So print task 3 variable assignment, expected output 54. Basically, task 3, change the variable assigned below so that the print statement display as 54. Don't change the print statement. Okay, so we can touch, obviously we can touch this. We can't touch this because because that's the statement. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure that's it, yeah. So this is the statement, so we can touch that. So basically, how this works is that this is basically equivalent to a so basically what she done is that this is equivalent to the variables of JavaScript. So basically this is basically so this thing is equivalent to a variable of JavaScript. Basically, instead of we say variables, we call statements in Python. And I forgot to commit and push this thing. Hold on. I'm gonna do this first. Done task 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Here we go. We're gonna commit this. So hold on. You know what? I'm gonna put a hold on. It's 7. Yeah, it's currently 7. So I'll give myself an hour, and I'll give myself an hour to do the whole Python thing or the homework in general. So this is the original answer. So this is the original one. Here we go. Now, now we need to have the answer. So now if I run my Python work, which is basically this, it will equal to 54. So basically 54 out of... So basically... Oh, wait, what? Output expected 54. Oh, wait, no, that's the answer. Sorry. So below that, as you can see, it printed me 17. We do not want that, and they don't want us to change the statement. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make ourselves a section for for answers. And I'm gonna copy paste this. And we're gonna put this into comments so that we won't get confused. Alright. So what do we do with this? We do a simple math equation. So basically 17 plus... Ooh, wait, no. This is not what I'm not supposed... Wait, I am not supposed to do that. Hold on. Let me refer my trusty note that our teacher gave us. So basically, let me see. So... Different... Okay, I know what to do. Okay, I know exactly what... Okay, I think I got it. So basically, we need to put this as a comment, I think. We need to put this, and then we do plus, and then we're gonna put 17 plus... So what's 54 plus... Hold on, so what makes 54? We're gonna use our calculator. We're gonna use our calculator, hold on. 54 minus 17 equals to 37. So we need to add 37. So technically, it should print us our work. Number 37. No, that's not what I'm supposed to do. Oh, hold on. That's not what I'm supposed to do. Hold on. Let me refer to my notes. Give me 1 second. That's a big no-no. I'm not supposed to do that, am I? We just do this. Hold on. Let me do it. Hold on. Hmm. Hmm. Hold on, no, I have an answer. Wait, hold on, I haven't. Wait, hold on. I know what I'm gonna do. It's just I need to find the notes. God damn it. It's gonna be something stupid if I figure it out. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. This might be stupid. Oh, hey, Noel. How's it going? Hope you're doing homework goes well. Finish this quickly. All right. Thank you, Noel. Enjoy the lurk. Wait a second. Wait, I might be stupid, but I think I need to... Hold on. Don't tell me it was, like, simply like this. Okay. Hold on. Okay, it's... Wait, I was wrong, I think. I think I was wrong. Hold up. Oh my god, it was that simple. Okay, wow, okay. It was just simple. It was just blatantly simple as that. Now I feel like an idiot. Now I feel like a gosh darn idiot. Alright, moving on. Alright, time to move on. Give me a second. Alright, moving on. So we are at so this is task 3 done. Not to mention I need to give this to the teacher after I need to send this to the teacher afterwards cuz I need to send her the complete worksheet. Please finish commit. Okay, it finished commit. Not taking the class, it will be struggling. Yeah, no, because the thing is, no, that's not a class. That's a that's not a class. That's a statement. If I had to taking that class, I would be struggling. Oh, you mean the programming class? Listen, Python so far is not that. It's not that brutal. It is kind of easy, kind of. It's just at this rate. It's just at this stage, like we're just learning like the ground rules on how like Python works. Because now so far we are doing. So now so far we're doing just fine. Not to mention. Because so far we're doing just fine. But I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. I'm pretty sure if you take that class, it would be fine. But then again, you're not in class, so we'll never know. Okay. All right, here we go. But so far, Python is not that bad that you expected. Just thank God it was not PHP, because if it was PHP, I'll be screwed. Everyone will be screwed. Okay, what's next? So task 4. 3 variables are assigned below, all with different types. Replace the word none inside parentheses of the type in the print statement below, so the print class is str. Huh, okay, so basically what happens if I just stroll it like this? What happens if I just stroll like this? Okay, so the output... wait, what? Nothing, okay. Print none. So... as for our 3 variables are assigned below, all different types. Replace the word none inside the parenthesis of type 0. The word none inside the parenthesis in the print statement below so that you can print class str. Oh. Oh, wait. They want us to print a text. I see. I see what you want. Hold on. Let me... I see. Hold on. That's the original one. Let's not mix up. Original. Why does she left us with numbers? That I do not... Why did she left us with numbers? That I do not know. That I have no idea. Let's see. I have no idea. Hold on. How do I add class? How do I add class on this thing again? So what if I do Control F and then class? Okay, first class. Okay, so I got 2 things. We got beats beyond the scope. Let me see. That prints a class F. Huh. Why does it... Oh, wait, I think... Class... Why the class string, though? So, what I get it is that this print is gonna print the type. So, type, and then what's next? I guess I'll add... Oh, wait, no, I need those. Wait, no, I need those parameters. Whoops. I need those parameters. Wait, I need those. Huh? Why is it giving me an error? Oh, wait. It's because they have space. Hold on. What if I just press it? Hold on. Technically, it will print me the segment of the of 14 if I do this. Class int. Oh! Wait, we're cooking. It show us class int. Wait a second. What happens if I press Y? If I press Y? Floats. Z? Wait, he's gonna print this out, isn't it? Straight. Here we go. Okay, that was easier than I expected. But what? Hold on. Why does it show the answer? I am questioning why it show us ST. I do wonder why it show us like. Cause every number, cause you see those X, Y, Z. My thoughts like I thought it's gonna print it 14, 17, Wait, actually, what's print type? Actually, what's print type in Python? Hold on, I'm actually googling like this. This is actually. Hold on, this is actually interesting. Why is it printing me type? Print a built-in type function used in conjunction with the to print a type. Hold on, how can I determine? What does return type? The type function is fly go away. The type function is used to type an object. When a single argument is passed, the type function it returns the type of the object. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, the type function reveals the internal identity of the class which is basically what's inside the number 14, what's inside number 17.4, and what's inside of today is a fine day for sailing, and that is what it's used for. Interesting. I still don't know if I'm gonna use that in class. Moving on. Okay. Alright, moving on. So this, and then we're gonna do, that's task 4 done. So that's task 4 done. We are storming through, so far so good. We are storming through this. Thank you for the throwback. Wait, is that a throwback or a... Yeah, it is throwing back from... Wait, is that a girl from Bob's Burger? throwing it back? Oh dear, okay. Oh no, what is it from actually? Actually, I'm in. Hold on, I'm curious. What is this? It's not sorry. Summer 353 Tina. Oh, it's Tina Dance. Oh, it's Summer's. Okay. Oh, it's Summer's email Twitch icon. Okay, that is interesting. Oh, that cracked. I'm not gonna lie, that cracked me up a bit. All right. All right. We're moving on. All right, moving on. I don't think we'll be in the Dynasty. And then you got the lizard. And then you got the blender lizard. Nice. Alright, let's move on to task 5. Alright, task 5. What you got for me? Task 5. Task 5, question about strings, expected output 51. Task 5, inside to call to print below, write an expression that evaluates. To sum up the lengths of the two strings variables defined below. First line and second line, use the length function. We're gonna... Yo, blank. Oh, hey, Sarah, how's it going? How you been? Glad you show up, I guess. glad you show up there, pal. Alright, so code here. I'm gonna keep this original one. I'm definitely keeping the original one here. That's the original code. I like how you didn't realize it was me at first. Well, I didn't realize it was you at first. I'm sorry. Sometimes Twitch is a bit Sometimes Twitch is a bit delayed. Sometimes I have a hard time to realize who is who. Who is who. But sorry for not recognizing you at first, though. But welcome. So if you're questioning right now, and I guess enjoying me having it, enjoy making fun of me, I'm like, don't worry. It's just funny. I guess in the meantime, I sit back and relax and enjoy me fail miserably on how I code to Python. Because this is actually one of the assignments I need to do before next Monday. Alright, so... I'm not good with strings. That's my kryptonite when it comes to programming. Okay, so we need to print below write-in expression evaluator to sum up the length of the two strings variable defined below. Hold on. First line and second line. Use the lens function. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on, it's not that cut deep. Gonna watch while grind some Geo in Hollow Knight. Sure, no problem. Enjoy Hollow. Sure, sit. Put on aside. Enjoy and do some grindings for yourself. Can't wait to see how you're gonna go far. I just can't wait to see if you were able to finish. I'm not gonna lie. Plus, we're really far too as well with only a few deaths. So yeah, hold on. Huh. Wait, he just wants me to print a fun. Wait, hold on. Is this? Hold on. I'm keeping this. Probably gonna die a million times more. Man. Listen. It's Hollow Knight. It's basically a Souls. It's Hollow Knight. It's a Souls like at this rate. I'm pretty sure that's part of the experience. I'm gonna comment that out this just to keep the original. That is not what I wanted. Here we go. Control slash. Okay, so it wants me to print a function. Okay, hold on. So basically all I do is lens. And the lens, and then I use first line. And then I do first line plus second line. That's what I'm supposed to do, right? Yeah, no, that's it. And then I just type lens. Oh, goddammit. And then I type lens, and it should probably work. You told me it was a Souls like my heart sank in my I mean, listen, it's not a Soulsborne. Okay, hold on. I should probably cut. Whoops, that's not what I want. Does it work? Oh, it works. Perfect. Perfect. It works. Oh, wait, I forgot to comment this one. Hold on. Listen, hold on. Don't let the fact that it is a Souls-like literally ruins your experience. Hold on. We need to talk about the differences. When it comes to basically Soulsborne's game are basically games that came from FromSoft and part of the Dark Souls franchise. Basically, Dark Souls 1, 2, and 3, and also Elden Ring counts as 2 as well. Soulsborne, however, is basically something like doing worse 100%. It's, like I said, a Soulsborne game is part of the experience. And speaking of Soulsborne's game is basically games that is not made by FromSoft or neither from the Dark Souls franchise. It's just a gaming experience of dying and repeating again numerous of times. It's similar to a Dark Souls game, so that's why we say Souls-like. So that's part of the vocabulary and the difference between a Souls-like game and a Soulsborne game. Yeah. Okay, you already know that. Sorry, I was over-explaining my. Sorry, sorry about that. I'm over-explaining myself. All right, it's still a good. Listen, I trust you can do this. I trust you can finish Hollow Knight, along with all the other players who started Hollow Knight and going to play Silksong afterwards. I trust in all of your abilities that you guys can make it. So yeah, hold on. It was 51. Yeah, task 5 can succeed. Hold on, let me double check it works. Why is it printing task 3? Oh, I forgot to comment task 3. Hold on, let's do it again. You know what? I want to clear that. Let me clear that. Does it reset? Yes, it resets. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Failed to run. I'll try to stream again tomorrow. Hopefully it works. The work doesn't kill me. I'll try to be in here. I'll try to be in here on time because I start my class at 5 and I finish at 8. So if I could pop up, I'll try to pop up and say hi to you. Hold on. Something's not right. Oh wait, I fucking felt. Wait, hold on. Code activate. God damn it, Python. Okay, so As you can see, everyone, this is what happens if Python is not open up properly. Because I forgot to deactivate it. Technically, you need to deactivate to close it properly. But my dumbass forgot to do it. I guess I'll do another site. No. Listen, if you guys want to stream tomorrow, stream tomorrow. I'll try to pop up and say hi when I can. All right. Just don't let my presence don't don't let my presence be a factor or be an obstacle for you guys. All right. Fuck. Conda activate. What do I need to do again here? Oh, worksheet. Hold on. It's py fold. Py fold. Please work. Plus, I was going to stream tomorrow too. I guess I'll do it another time. Oh wait, yeah, and also stream is at the next time with Sarah. And you guys also. Oh no, you're gonna stream at the same time with Sarah. Okay, yeah, that's actually detrimental. Sorry, my mind goes faster than what I could speak. Python activate. Okay, so technically it should work, right? This technically, yeah, thank you, yeah. Jeez, we really need to work out. Gee, I hope, like, I don't know if you guys saw Noelle's message, but she was asking, she would ask everyone if we should like do some sort of schedule just to check if when everybody could be able to stream. I feel like this could be helpful at this rate. Hold on, where do I know? Wait, I need to grab that piece of code. I need to grab that piece of code. Here he is. Coda info envs. Hold on. Does it work? Okay, it works. We're back to normal. Alright, it works. It's back to normal. Now, does my thing work? Now, does my coding works? God damn it. Does my code works? Sheet a.py. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, god damn it, I think I did a typo. Yeah, I did a typo. Yeah, rule of coding, everyone. Well, I just usually don't know when I have to have the soul to stream, to be honest. Listen, when it comes to streaming, do when you can. Do when you have the energy. Do when you feel like it. This is what I could say much. Because if you stream on a... It was best. Yes, it works. Perfect! Alright, it works. Perfect. Oh, goddamn, I forgot to comment the task too. Listen, when it comes to streaming, I stream when I feel more happy, when I feel need to more concentrate in terms like of homework. Like if you stream on a really bad day with a very low energy, then don't it's best for you to take a rest for take a day for yourself. But if you feel like streaming and have fun with others, and also flex on people to see how good you are in Hollow Knight, then do streaming. Go for it. What's next? Well, I just like do when you can, like stream when you can. All right. Flex in Hollow Knight. I'm just saying. I'm just saying as motivation, or I'm just saying as motivation. You can take my word for a grain of salt if you want to. That's 6. Cause so far I don't have Hollow Knight. I was thinking about streaming I was thinking about playing Hollow Knight and streaming, but the thing is, I already got Expedition 33 to 33 on the line, so I wanted to invest more on Expedition 33 than playing Hollow Knight. It's just, and plus, Clair Obscur is really a fun game, and I know Hollow Knight is a really good game, but I much more prefer this instead of I much more prefer this. Alright, that's task 4 up to, wait, that was task 5, isn't it? I wrote task 6 wrong. God damn it, oh well, it's fine. Oh well, what is done is done. Alright, what's next? Task 6, question about the string part 2. I expected an output of 25. Task 6, get the fuck away from me, fly. Task 6, inside the call to print, write an expression that evaluates to the position of the world window in the string defined in the variable. Call a string sentence, use the dot find Dot find method. What is that? Good games out there. Listen, this year we're eating good. We had not only we had Claire Obscure, Claire Obscure Expedition 33, and then Silk Song. We have Outer Worlds 2 that came up. And then Nintendo, we got Pokemon AZ. And then we got Fire Emblem Fortunes of Weave, fucking finally, another Fire Emblem game. And then the list goes on. We also have, wait, hold on, let me pull up what kind of games they... Get away from me, fly, sorry. All I'm saying, we had a lot of good games. We still, this year, we have some good games. Not hype as last year, but we got some good varieties. That I could say much. Hold on, what else we got? What good games do we got? What? Hold on, what kind of good games do we got this year? Hold on, that's actually a genuinely good question. Let me check. You know what? Game of the Year. Let's see what's in the Game of the Year list. Let's see what could be in the front runners for the Game of the Year list. Oh wait, we got, hold on. There was also Death Stranding 2 that was good too as well. It's good here to be employed again. Indeed. Indeed, and I'm glad you guys are employed. We got Death Stranding 2, that was good. Silk Song, I already said that. Donkey Kong Bonanza. Donkey Kong Bonanza in school, and then there's like so much more. So many good, we have like so many good games. Oh, and then we got also Split Fiction and Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. That was actually good. Otherwise, that's about it that could pop up in my head. But yeah. TLO You Free coming soon too. Norman Reedus. Yes, Norman Reedus. We love our Norman Reedus here too as well. TLU, hold on, what is the acronym? Oh, The Last of Us Free Part, wait, there's a third part? Come again? Why is the internet freaking, oh god. Wait, I'm sorry, The Last of Us Part 3 is coming out too as well? Hey, that's cool. Hopefully they show it during the game year or hope they show like a little glimpse of the trailer in the Game Awards. Oh, it's rumored. Jesse, let's hope these rumors are true. Cause I will be glad if this, really soon. We can always cope. Let us be we need to we want our Last of Us, man. What do we do with you? I don't know if it's this year, but I'm seeing more videos on it. We don't know. We don't know. We don't know, man. We don't know. Oh, and there's like Helldivers 2 updates with the Halo that came out this year. It's not a new game, but hopefully it wants multiplayer support this year. Cause oh my god, the collab with Halo they did with Helldivers 2 is glorious. And then they throw in an update with the goddamn bugs, which kind of horrifies me. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, task 6 inside a call. Oh, what were we doing? Oh yeah, homework. Did the cat jump out of the windows yesterday? And then create your code here. Let's just put this with the original. We can always believe in rumors. We never know that when they came true or not. Original, and then we do this. Hold on, what do I need to put? What do I need to put you here? What do I need to put you? And then answer, hold on. Dot find method. Why would you need a dot find method? Because the reason I'm doing this is supposed to be doable in class. The thing is, I had a job interview at the same time, so that's why I was trying. So that's why I need to catch on my materials. So what does a dot find do? The in operators has discussed above. Well, tell us if the string within the another string. But if we want to know where the string occurs, we can use the find function. It takes a single argument, the string you're looking for. If the string is found, then the function will return to the first index, at which the string was found. It will return to -1 if nothing is found. Interesting. Huh. Okay, so that means. Hold on. Let me cook. So that means if I want to do this. So that means, let me just do this and do that. So that means if I want to find something in called A, so if I need to do dot. So if I do. Wait a second. Yeah, I was right. So if I do a string. Wait, no, that's not what I want to write. A string sentence. And then we put a dot find with this. And oh god damn it. Oh god damn it, give me a second. Sorry, the fly was messing up with my goddamn lamp. First the lamp was like bugging me, and now it's like flying to my lamp. It's like I thought it was like a blackout that I had to do with all the stream all over again. Oh, thank god. Oh, thank goodness it was not the case. Alright, where are we? Oh yeah, Prince. Oh yeah, doing the code. So, what do I do? Windows strings. Pull out of here. It's fine. It's gonna die like in the next, I don't know, 10 hours. Oh, Instagram to use to find. So we need to find a word position window. Okay, we need to find a word window. So what this thing does is, why does it give me? Oh wait, I'm stupid. Wait, I'm stupid. Hold on. Okay, so what the dot find do is that not fast enough. That's enough. Okay, the fly is somewhere in the corner for now, I think. Okay, so what this thing do is that when I use the dot find is basically to find that specific word. If it found that specific word, it will show up the word. If not, it will return to -1. If it show up something, I think it will return to 1. That's interesting. Yeah, it will return to -1 if nothing is found. So if there is a window, let me just pull that up. Task 625. Oh wait, yeah, 25. Oh, it goes by letters. Okay. Okay, I guess we got our answer. Fair enough. So it returns us to number 25 because it's the 25th letter that it show up at the 25th letter. All right, seems logical enough for me. Moving on. Moving on. Task 7. What do we got here? Expected output: someone who has spent too much time. Ironic. I know. We're only like what for an hour. We're almost like 46 minutes in on the stream. Hold on. We got like what 23. 23. Yeah, task 23. I expect us. We won't do all of them for today because I want to get. Because it's really early at night and I want to do some little gaming afterwards. So let's see if I can reach up to level task 15. If I have enough energy, and if I have enough energy until task 15, then we'll completely finish this in one stream. What the hell is this? Partly. Alright, string transformation. Expected output: someone who has spent too much time. Task 7. Modify the print statement below, that is to print out the contents of the variable partly, but with all the white spaces removed from the beginning and end of the string. Use dot strip method. At the beginning and the end of the string, use the dot strip method. Okay, so I'm assuming it's the same thing with what we did with the string. Jesus Christ, Sabines is giving us some candy answers. I mean, candy quiz. Because long story short, for So a little bit of lore about my teacher. So Sabine, our teacher, for our programming teacher is she's a really sweet lady. It's just sometimes she gives us like a bunch of code and then says go nuts. It's sometimes I have no problem with it. It's just there's a few people. I have no problem with it. It's just there's a lot of people. It's just that it's not good. Have to. It's like throwing me a bunch of code and then solving myself. It's not really a good thing, to be honest with me. But I manage it, and then she learned her lesson, and instead of using PHP, which is not, which is once again, I do not like it. We use Python instead for our navigation for our main coding, which I am very happy about it. All right, so basically, saving. God damn it. So basically, copy paste, saving here, comment this out. Why does it end? I think it was dot strip dot strip, and then of the variable partly. The prints out on the content. Hold on, what does it do? At the beginning of the... Oh, wait, since there's space, we do this. Would that give us our answer? Question mark? I hope it gives us answer. Oh, yeah! It works! Look! Yep, works like a charm. Look, task 7, string output transformation output someone who has spent too much time, and then our answer was someone who spent too much time. Perfect. Wow, we are actually getting. Wow, this is actually more easy than This is actually candied. Wow, this is actually a learning process that I actually appreciate this because usually she just gives us a bunch of coding and then make us solve the problem. All right. Task 8. Oh, wait, I forgot to... task 5, 6, 7, and 7 done. So basically what I'm doing right now is that I'm pushing and committing to my save file in the GitHub cloud, because if I do that, I'll have a nasty surprise when if I'm going to work later on my laptop. All right, task 8. Here we go. What do we got here? All right, task 8. Here we go. What do we got here? Task 8. String transformation part. God damn it. String transformation print expected output. Someone who has spent too much time once again. Okay. Oh wait, that's task 9. Whoops. Wait, what? You're not supposed to be uncommented yet. All right, here we go. All right. Task 8. Using the previous defined partly variable, write an expression inside to print inside the print function below to evaluate to the content of the string with all white space removed and with all the letters converted to uppercase. Use the upper. Oh, the upper. He wants to put us. Oh, she wants us to put convert us to uppercase. Interesting. Hold on, how do I apply that? Let me just review my notes. Give me a second. hold on. How do I use upper? Oh god damn it, that's not what I wanted. Wait, was it? Alright, the method, these method will return true Python. Is upper. Okay, I know what I must done. Alright, I know what must be done. So, I'll need to take that. So, obviously, I'll need to take that. So, that's the original one. So, I'll need to take that. And then I'll need to take answer. Oh, what do I... Okay, so technically, I need to take this code. Shove it here, uncommented it. White space remove. Hold on, I want to do an experiment. So what if I do this? And then upper. Oh, it's text upper. Whoops. It's upper. Whoops. Hold on. An upper. What happens if I do a combination of two? Yeah, it's not gonna end well, isn't it? I don't think that's a good idea. Dot upper. Okay, let's see let's see if it works. Let's see if my experiments works. It works! As you can see, someone who spent too much money the output, and that is the expected output. Because not only we remove all the white space that is here, we also add the upper, which is basically transforming every text as an uppercase. Yeah, that was it. That was the entire code. Well, I feel like it... Yo, this brings back... Listen, I know this is Python, but this brings back a bit of a memory when I used to first... Wait, hold on. What am I... Task 8, right? Yeah, it was task... Wait, that was task 8, right? Yeah, that was task 8. Yeah, that was task 8. Okay, perfect. Because what I'm saying... Oh, yeah. This awfully reminds me of a of a long memory when I was back in CGIP, which is when I started JavaScript, I think, back when I was 6 years ago. So basically, what the teacher... So the class was introductory in JavaScript, into introductory in programming, which is basically doing all Java. Was basically JavaScript, JavaScript, JavaScript. How we do our exercise was similarly of what the teacher gave us here right now, except it was long instruction. It was really like long instructions. It's basically, instead of task is to do, and is to do, or todo in French, and then we just slowly solve it until we get a fully programmed JavaScript. I remember programming a pseudo Space Invader JavaScript back then. I remember that. We also did the rock paper we also did a sort of like rock paper scissor with the Pokemon starters with JavaScript. And we also did a Sudoku with JavaScript too as well. But all of this was 6 years ago, and I think I still have the the original file homework somewhere. It's just that I completely forgot how to do the. I almost had homework. It's just like I forgot how to do the homeworks completely, cause JavaScript. I personally like coding, but JavaScript is on the neutral ground. It's like I don't like it, but I don't hate it at the same time. So basically, if I ever have like a tier list of like programming, I will put JavaScript free. I think it was like JavaScript free specifically, what we're using right now. I will put it like in C tier. That will be. Don't add me. Alright, modify the value of assigned variable offset below. Oh wait, hold on. What do we need to do? Task 9, indexing string. Expected output P. Task 9, modify the value assigned to variable offset below that. The following print statement displays the letter P. Okay, how do I do that? That is, how do I do that? There's no offset. Indexing, here we go. Here we go, negative indexing. Okay, negative indexing. That's not modify the assigned variable offset below. and print statement design as P. How do I do that? Let me check my notes. Hmm. So we got offset, which is 0. The following print statement must be P. Hmm. Hold on, I need a watermelon. Hmm. Hmm. Sorry if I'm making some. I'm munching on watermelons. That was totally impolite on me. Hold on. Here's what I'm gonna do. Offset indexing. How on earth are you do off? Hmm. How does people do that? Hmm. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Never mind. Wait, wait. No, I get it. This thing, that's technically counts as a string, and they want to figure out what is the letter. They want to know where is the P on Apple. An Apple, if you go on string level, because string, how string works in terms of programming, it works by this order. You got 0. It starts with 0 and then 1, 2, and 3. Now Apple is on 1 and 2. So what you're supposed to do is that you're gonna change it. So what you're supposed to do, set your offsets into 1. You set your offset to 1, and that should be able to print the number 1, and that should print Apple. Now, that should print the first letter, the number 1 in the number 1 order of that string. So it should print out 1. Yep. No, sorry. The expanded output was supposed to be P. It's not a number. I made the letter. Here we go. Sorry, what was I thinking? A and P. Okay, that's not what's supposed to happen. It needs to only output P exclusively. Hmm. Or P. Wait, hold on. Let me try something else. Wait, I got it all upside down. I explained it wrong yet again. They wanted to know. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. I know why it printed A. Because of this one. Because 0 was A. Because 0, the string of the 0 was assigned to the letter A. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 are assigned to both P's. So long story short, they wanted to figure out which is the order of the ind. They want the letter P by order of the ind of string. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 is A, and 1 and 2 is Apple. So that will both, and as we put offset, both will print me in return the letter P. So now it should work. Yeah, here we go. Now it's P. All right. Okay, up to task 10. We're halfway. We're halfway, people. Task 9. And we're in what? Oh, we're only an hour in the stream. Yeah, we can still going. Yeah, we can still going. I think I still got the energy after no. And I think I still got the energy too. And goddamn fly, go away. Fly away, you goddamn fly. Jesus. Freaking bath salts. Alright. Alright, moving on. Print. Alright, moving on. What do we have? Task 10. Modify the value assigned to the variable start and end below so that the following print statement display the word jump. Okay, so it's another string level again. Oh wait, it's another string again. Start and jump. Hold on, that's the original. I want to keep, because I want to separate between like original and then answer, so that way we got like at least like a base. So basically, we still have the base code to deal with. It's just my way of organizing it. God damn it! Here we go. Do this, do that. Fucking god damn it! Do this, do that. Answer. And then we do this. And then we deactivate that. Now we want jump. We only need jump. Start or not. Oh, we can modify the variables. So 0 to end. Hold on. I'm gonna come back. I'll be back. I need to do something first. Let me just put this. We just do it. We'll be back. We'll be back. I just need to do something in the background. I'm back. I had to do something. There was somebody in the front door. Put back here. I just realized how small the screen is on your guys' end. Hold on. Is there a way I can zoom in? View, open view, appearance, full screen, Zen mode. Where do I zoom? Oh, here we go. Zoom in. There we go. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Here we go. There we go. Should be fine, mate. Alright, it should be big enough. Alright, should be big enough. And I put it on full screens too, just to make you guys a bit better. Does it work like this? Yeah, perfect. Alright, it works. It just works. Alright. Oh, god damn it, that's not what I wanted. So 0 to 10. So basically 0 is there and then is there. So basically what I needed to do, hold on, let me do, wait, screen is wrong. Hold on, I just realized I messed up a little bit of my stream. Hold on. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Yikes, nope, that's not what I want. God damn it, I just want the window. Here you go. Here we go. Bam. There we go. Alright. So if I print it like this, what does it give? Oops, that's not what I wanted. What happened? Okay. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Okay, now, what if I do, hold on. That's not what I wanted. This, rename. I'll just take this and then put py. No, wait, Python first. Python goes first, what am I doing? On worksheet a.py. What does it give me? So that gives me. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay. Cat jumps. So it went all the way to 0 and then stopped at cat. Because 1, 2, 3. So it stopped to 10 because the space counts too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it stopped there. It stops at CA. So what if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is basically 10. 10. And then we do 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What if I do 12 and 7? What if I do 12 and 17? So 12 and then 17. What happens? Hopefully it will give us the answer. Ah, god. Ah, no, that's not what I wanted. God. Silly code, that's not what I want to put. .py, what do we have? Jump. Bingo, we got it. Why is Task 9 still open? Oh, come on. Blind comment everything. Alright. So yeah, at least we got the jump, which is the expected output. Alright, that's task 10 done. Okay, if I could finish this before, if I could finish all of this before 9, that will be perfect. Cause we're blazing through this. Alright, thank you, Sarah, for the encouragement. We could probably do this before, hopefully I can do this before 9. Cause if it's past 9 and I still got the energy to do it, then it's perfect. It's logic. Sarah, it's called programming logic. It's nothing too much to for me. Hold on, task 10. Hold on. Task 10 done. Here we go. It's basically by logic. You just basically count the space and then you do 10 and then you modify the numbers. Yeah, I don't have that. Come on, I'm pretty sure you still have that small chromosome that that M gave you, if I remember correctly. I believe you have some. I believe you have. You have. I do believe you have a. I do believe you're smart. Don't worry about that. That means she heard about the part. Okay. Task 11. What do we do? Integers and oh, that's new. Integers and string. Expected output 100. Task 11. Modify the statement below so that it displays the number 100. Do this using the int function. Function hint. You need to use it twice. Oh, thank you for the answer, Teach. Original taste. I type original. I wrote original. God darn it. Alright. Do this. So basically, if I print out like this, that means it's gonna give me what? A random number? 1981. Yeah, that's much. 1981. Okay. Oh, it's 19 and 81 at the same time. Oh, because they're in text. I see what you're doing. I see your game, Sabine. I see your game, Sabine. I see. I know what you doing, Sabine. Hold on, int. What does int do? I'm curious. Hold on, I'm looking up int. All right. That's not what I'm looking for. Int function. Here we go. It doesn't explain. Hold on. Internet, what's the int function? I see through you, Python. I see you. I see everything. What is it? Int function is a Python built-in function used to convert a given value into an integer. Oh, it's just... Oh, int for integral number. Okay, that's fair. That's... Okay, that seems logical enough. So basically, that function just converts it to a number. I'm not gonna lie, I'm 100% sure you can make it through the Python class. At least you can get, at least if you get the knowledge a bit for the first few free classes, I'm pretty sure you can almost handle, you can handle this class. I'm just saying as it is, that's all. Here we go. And that ruined my day. Oh no! Ah, you hate those soggy you hate those soggy ass grape. Oh, I'm so sorry that happened to you. Oh, these are the worst. Hold on, well that works. Oh, does this work? Yes, we got 100. Expected that's the description. And that's our number. Yay. Like, it still tastes good, but the crunch wasn't there at all. Yeah. Okay, at least it's sweet. The crunch is the missing part. Yeah, it doesn't feel the same when you don't have that perfect crunch of a grape. I like my creams like, yeah, I also like my grapes if they're crunchier too as well. But when it comes soggy, it's a total ick for me, which I really do not like eating like the soft grape too either. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. All right, here we go. Task 12. I'm gonna note this. Task 11 done. Red or green grapes? Both of them are fine. Honestly, I like both of them equally. There's not much of a... For me, there's not much of a difference. They're grapes, and I love them both equally. What about you? Hold on. We have like what? Whoa, we got 6 people? What the hell? Okay. Oh shit, we got 6. We had 6 people? Oh wow, green. Anybody else? Green. Anybody else in the chat who has a preference of grape color? Green. Yeah, fair enough. What else? So, now what do you mean? Modify the code below to include a condition to print the statement. Test var is less than 200. Less than 200 for the current value of test r underscore variable. Do not change the initial code, rather add it. Okay. So, modify the code below, include the condition print. So, what happens if I do like this? Okay, so what happens if I throw it like this? Output test less than output expected that test var is less than 100. Oh, I see what it is. I think it wants me to put an else. I think that is what. This is what I'm getting. I feel like this is what they want me to do, huh? Because what I'm getting it is that they want to modify the code below, include a condition to print the statement. If test var is less, test var, which is basically the value of 90, is less than 200. Oh wait, no, that's the common. I'm dumb. Sorry. Test var is less 200 for the current value of test VR. So basically, it is the condition now is that test var number 9e is bigger than 200, and then in return it will print var is greater than 200. And now it does want. She does not want me to change the initial codes. They want me to add it. So I figure they want us to put a variable of else. If that's why I'm not, if I am correct. Let me just double check on my notes. Did she introduce us to else? Hold on, I forgot. There's an else in Python, right? Yeah, there's an else in Python, alright. I think she wants us to put us the else. Something tells me I need to put an else, so I'm gonna go with that. So I'm gonna do this. So else. Let me see. Else. Hold on. What happens if I put an else? Is that what I need to do? Else print. If else is expected to print test var 200. Here we go. Let's do that. Wait, hold on. Does that work? Let's try it out. Test var is less than 200. All right, no, we got it right. Yeah, it was only an else. Yeah, no, we got it right. It was just an else. We did it. Oh, that was easy. We did it. Hooray. Oh, I didn't separate my answer. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, shoot. I didn't separate it. Hold on. Answer here. And then original. Right there. Do this, that, this. Wait, no. That's, hold on. Wait, I need to comment them all anyway because I already solved it. So that's task number 12. Yeah, that was 12. Task 12. Get away from me, fly, G. Task 12 done. And what time is it? Oh, wow, we only have... Oh, wow, we're blazing through these. Task 13, here we go. Let's see what we have. Well, let's see what it gives us. Alright. Oh, shit, here we go. Alright. Alright, print task 13, conditions part 2, expected output of the condition test pass. Task 13, modify modify the if statement below to print the statement. The condition test pass. Do not change the values of the variable. Gotcha. Alright, so that is our initial. That's the original one. So what happens if I just play it as it is? Sorry. What if I do dish? Task 13, output. Oh god, I forgot to close task 11. Hold on. Alright, what does it give us? Task 13, original. So what does it give us? Task 13, condition set. The condition is set to test not passed. Okay. Modify the test, not change the values of the variable. Wait, do we just do a switcheroo? Wait, don't tell me I need to do a Looney Tunes switcheroo. That'll be too easy. They won't. The teacher's not gonna. Speed's not gonna. give us free for... Wait. I might need to do a switcheroo like this. Hold on, don't tell me that works, because I didn't even modify the value. I didn't even change the values of the variable, so that's fair game. Huh. Am I really going to get away with this? No way that I'm going to get away with this. Okay, I guess I get away with this. Back your... Alright, I'm going to apply an MIT at this rate, because apparently it was just switch. So apparently I had to do a fucking Louis 2 switch. What is this? Hold on, at least let me understand what is going on. That so var free is 400, variab 2 is 800. So now, so that's var free, which is basically 400 is greater than 200, and basically a combination, and literally and 800 is lower than 400. If this is the case, print the condition that is not bad. But if everything else is correctly, the condition is bad. If it is, condition else is correctly, the condition is bad. If the but you know what? I'm going to open I'm opening DeepSeek right now. I want to know how he will react. I want to know how he'll react. I'm opening up. I'm going to open up and check what answer he gives me. Oh, wow, it's literally the exact same thing I did. Okay, yeah, no, I guess, wait, hold on. I want to test something. Wait, hold on. I want to test something out. So if I do this instead, hold on. If we didn't change anything, and we leave it as like this, and we leave it as this, what if I just do this? What happens? What happens if I do oh, whoops, that's not what I wanted. What happens if I do this? God damn it. Oh, here we go. What happens if I just do this? Like, no way I got away with this. This is not pass. Okay, yeah, no. It's not simple as switching to crocodile. Alright. Yeah, we finished task. Yeah, that's task 11. That's task 14 done, everyone. Holy cow. Wow, that was, I'm not gonna lie, that's a bit anticlimactic. I have nothing to say. I was expecting to struggle. I expecting to get my brain rot. I was expecting people laughing at me. Why is this easy? Did Sabine really took it at heart that her stuff was did Sabine really took it at heart that our stuff that it was too hard back then, and now she's giving us easier tasks of doing Python? Cause damn, that is actually, I'm actually thankful for Sabine taking a step down a notch for homeworks. Yo, hi. Oh, hey, Summer, how's it going? How's your vacation? Fancy you seeing there. Wait. Why are you? Oh wait, no, it's not. It's like literally like 8:45. It's like literally 8:50 in the morning in Japan, right? I'm about to check in at work. Yeah, not started yet, huh? Ah, all right. Okay, you're starting at work. Okay, yeah, cause it's literally like early in the morning in Japan. Like it's like 9:50. Wait, it's like what? Is it like 9:40, 9:50, or like 8:50, something like that? It starts in like 46. It starts like 46 hours. 36 hours. You can do this. Come on, Summer. You can do this. Yeah, today it was my last full day. It's like 9:50 a.m. Okay, don't give up. Don't get. All right, Summer, hang in there. You got this. You got this. Only a few 36 hours before the big vacation. I'm locked in. You better be locked in. So you better be locked in, man. But hey, fancy you seeing there. Joking? No, I'm not. I'm slacking so hard. Are you working as a actual like? Huh? I'm literally gonna pack while I'm working. Fair enough. That's fair enough. fair enough. Take advantage of your situation, I guess, while you're at it. While you can watch me just try to figure out how to code in Python because of a school assignment. Alright. So basically, to give you guys the context, wait, it's been yeah, I think it's a good time to give it a reminder. So basically, I'm not working as a librarian right now. I work as a travel agency. Oh, okay. Okay, I see there. Gotcha. Hold on, let me just set up my thing correctly. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Fair enough. You are becoming a librarian. Japan wanted to move back to US to be a librarian. US then explodes. Oh, yeah. I think it's... US then explode. Yeah, you know what? Staying in Japan is not that bad, right? Yeah, I mean... between this or... yeah, let's... I mean... It is what it is. I got nothing to say, but my librarian degree is only valid in the USA and the countries that honors American Library Association degrees. So, whoops, Canada waste. Ah, shit. Yeah, at least you got. Yeah, Japan is fine, but I won't. Gosh, money on the degree. I think. Yeah, here. Yeah, it is what it. Listen, you did what you do. Listen, it was basically you fought. Listen, you planned out that wanted to be, and then at the end of the day, it didn't work out. But at least you find at least you find yourself a backup plan and turn yourself into a travel agency. And I hope you'll figure out something. And I hope and if you still want to be a librarian, I hope you figure out something about it one day or another. Hold on. Now what? Okay, yeah. What was I doing? Oh yeah, coding Python. Hold on. So now what? So yeah, well now what? Task 14, a variable Greek is defined below. The value of the variable is of type list. Change the expression below the variable definition so that it prints alpha instead of beta. Maybe something I really still want to move back in the States. I hope things get better. You know what? When there's always a giant storm, there's always going to be a rainbow at the end of that huge storm. I'm pretty yeah, sure, things in the US is a bit bad, but it will calm down eventually. That's what I believe. It will calm down eventually one day. That is what I'm hoping for. So let's not give hope. Let's not give up hope yet. Okay, so a variable is a Greek is defined below. The value of this variable, a variable is the list type. Change the expression below the variable definition so that it prints the alpha instead of the beta. Oh wait, that's easy. Hold on, that's easy. That's 0. Oh god damn it! Give me a second. Shoot, flop. God. Sorry. So long story short, for people who got there, I'm at war with this one fly that just keeps on bugging me, and now it's like and now it's literally like like bugging the lamp, which is basically a touch lamp. So every time it feels like any physical objects, it will just close. The lights will just close, and it's just annoying that I had to deal with this. All right. All right. So for the people, okay, time to actually work. I lurk. Have fun with programming. All right. Hope you fun. All right. Hope you have fun packing stuff too. And good luck at work as well. and thank you for the lurk. Hold on. 0 alpha and beta. Yeah, that's 0. Python, she did the pie, this. What? Oh yeah, I forgot to comment this out. Hold on. Pi? Alpha. Yep, it works. It's powerful. It's basically the same thing with the string. It's basically alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and an epsilon. Yeah. It goes to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0. Alright. We are actually number 15. Yeah, I was right. We were reaching. Okay, I was kind of right. We are gonna reach up to level 15. Yeah, I was right. We were going to reach task 15 at 9 o'clock. Oh well, that's number task 14. And done. Okay, you know what? We reached level 15, and I still got some energy. It's 9 o'clock, it's orange, and it is now like an hour 33. I said I want to finish, we're gonna give an hour for this, but I got some energy on me. So we're gonna go all the way. We are going all the way, folks. Alright, task 15. Change the value of the variable start and finish. Below start, the print of G. Wait, why is this, wait, hold on. Please don't tell me that gives me an error. It gives me an error. Why are you giving me an error? Oh, because this is... Greek is not defined. Greek is not even defined. Oh, okay. Task 15. Change the value of the variable start and finish. Start and finish below so that the print statement will display on the second through fourth item in the list. Oh, wait. I need to do this. I'm gonna borrow this. Boop. Well, coding solved, I guess. No, I think that's the answer. There's nothing much I can do. That was the answer. Wait, don't tell me I got away with this. It is! It was this! We're just about. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. We messed up something. Change the value of the variable start and finish below, so that the print statement display on the second through and fourth items. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. So we stop at 3, right? Wait, why is it 6? It's 3 and 1. Let's write that again. Beta gamma. Whoops! Whoops. Number 4. We're putting 4, actually. Oh, wait, that's not what I wanted. Damn. Bam. Here we go. Beta, gamma, and delta. Beta, gamma, delta, beta, gamma, delta. Here we go. And that's how you code, people. Hold on, I'm gonna do this. Control Z until it pops me the original. Here we go. That's the original. So, to give you like a context of what we're doing. So now in this, so for task 15, we're basically trying to, we have the start and finish state. We have the start and finish variables. And this, how it does, it will go, so how it does, it'll take the first value of the string, it will take the last value of the string. So for example, if we do, hold on, let me give you, so if we do 1 to 4, if we start at 1 and finish to 4, the string is going to detect what, and then, sorry. So basically what it does, it'll take the first, it will take, the start string will start at number 1, and the finish, and then it will end on number 4. And then what we do afterwards, we got a Greek that stars in all of these strings, which is basically alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and epsilon. And what the order goes is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're gonna do, so what we did, we printed the value of the Greek, and we only take the value that started with number 1 and finishes at 4, finishes and ends it before 4. So if we're going to run this again, it should probably give me once more. Oh wait, I forgot. Oh wait, that's an error code. It should give me once more beta, gamma, and delta, because that is the expected output that the teacher wants us to have. So yeah, that's it in the nutshell. All right, now what? Task number 16, and that's number 15 done, by the way. Task number 15 done. Out of 23, too, as well. We're, what, 60% done for this whole assignment? Let's go. We're going to be ready for next Monday class. By we, I meant me. All right, and 16. Boop. All right, what do we got? Go away, fly. All right, task 16. List slices part 2. Expected output is delta delta and epsilon. Task 16. Change the value of the variable foo below so that the print statement displays the last two numbers of the list Greek defined above. Use a negative number for foo. Okay, so basically, same thing with this, but we're dealing with negative numbers. So we started with 0, and let me just steal that string. Oh that's not what I wanted. Let me steal. Let me just. Boop. Let me just steal that. Oh wait, hold up. Let me just steal that string. Wait, hold on. We keep this as original. Keep this as original, and then we keep this. God damn it. Hold on. Sorry if there's some weird sound from the mic, because my mic is literally the string mic is literally between me and the keyboard. Oh, what if I just place select here? Here we go. And that's the answer. Answer. And then we got foo. And then we go Greek. God damn it. Greek. And do this. Greek foo. Greek foo. And then we're gonna borrow our friendly Greek code here. Bam. Alright. So, foo. So the negative number. This is the part where I left class or my job interview for school. Alright, foo value. What do you give me? Wait, nothing? Negative number for foo. What if I do -1? What if I do -1? What does it give me? We're about to find out what we're going to do. Do this, that. Expected output, epsilon. Oh, I need to -2 then. Hold on. I need to -2. Oh, that's only epsilon. Oh, okay, I see there. I see what you do. I see for you, Python. Alright. Freaking the fly. I swear, the fly. Alright, so that's task 16 done. Yeah, we're blazing through this. Task 16. And that's task 16 done. And here we go. Commit. Wait, no. Push. Commit. Sync changes. Off it goes to the GitHub. Alright. Print slash. Alright. Task 17. Least operation. Expected output true. Task 17. Change the value of the variable letter to look for below so that the print statement displays true. Oh, we're looking for a dictionary. So basically, this is the string. This is the string that is assigned to us. Eggplant, carrots, turnips, fiddlehead. Wait, what's a fiddleheads? Hold on. What's a fiddleheads? What the hell? Hold on. Crosse de fourragère? Wait, hold on, guys. Guys, I need you. Guys, I need a moment with you guys. Hold on. Oh, my display capture is not working. Huh. Interesting. Why is it not working? Work? Oh, there we go. Now it works. Okay, so this is what a fiddleheads looks like. What is it? Apparently, according to Google, or the AI Google, fiddleheads are the coiled immature shoots of a ostrich ferns, a seasonal delicacy harvested in spring. It looks good, I'm not gonna lie. It's just I never see that for the first... Just I'm seeing that for the first time. Huh. They look like the grass I see in Stardew Valley. That's what I'm gonna say. These looks like the moss grass that I see in Stardew Valley. Huh. Interesting. Oh well, that's it. Looks like the teacher has a fixation with Fiddlehead. Moving on. Wait, why do I have After Effects open? I just realized I have After Effects open until now. What the? Alright. Alright, back to the work. Alright, back to work. Alright, so we want to look... Where to look for carrot in... Well, there's no carrot. We want to look for the word... change the value of the variable look carrot below so that the print seems true. So, I kind of want to eat it. I know, that fiddlehead looks delicious. Yeah, it looks delicious to me. It looks healthy, too. It looks healthy, too, as well. I'll probably keep that on my cooking... I'll probably keep that on my cooking list at this rate. So... Original... Here we go. ATD... It looks like a type of vegetable that gives a crunchy D if you deep fry it correctly. Apparently it eats better when it's boiled, what they said. According to the internet, it said it's better either with boiled or pickled, apparently. But frying them is also an option too. Alright, so basically there was an error code because there's no... Tell me there's a vegetable that has carrot. By carrot with an A, by the way. Do this, do that, do this. Like, hello. Oh, hey, baby, say, how's it go? Oh, what did you do? Oh, what was censored? Oh, Pookie. Oh my god. Sorry for the censor. Hi, baby stay. Fancy see you, dear. Hope you're doing well. Oh. Well, fancy see you, dear. Okay. I apologize for the censor figure. I apologize for the censor, but glad to see you here. Glad to see you here, baby stay. How you been? So now, so far, as you can see, I'm doing coding Python. Yes, I had to come to watch a stream of yours. Aw, thank you. Well, this is a stream that I'm starting to do, which is basically me doing random assignments for my university. So for now, we're doing a little bit of Python code. Good, just working. Got out of work. Oh, nice. Then sit back and relax and enjoy the show while you can make some jokes about me being bad in coding. Because so far, we're like literally task 17 out of 23 of the code questions. So yeah, basically, I'm just working on Python for my school assignment. Basically, small exercises just to get my feet wet. Why is it censor? Really? You better tell me. You better tell me. Hey, no. Listen, as far as I'm concerned, Python is it's sort of like the easiest one so far as I'm concerned, because I've coded JavaScript. I coded JavaScript. I've also coded PHP before. I've done HTML and CSS too as well. And so far, I am enjoying Python so far for the past 1 hour and 46 minutes. Send me vids them doing things to learn. You know what? Actually, you know what, baby stay? We can do a detour for you. Let me show you something. So... Oh god, the fly. Hold on. Hold on, I'm ignoring the fly right now. There's literally a fly that's literally been disturbed and being on my existence recently. Alright, hold on. Let me do a little detour for you. So... Why is it... Twitch, stop censoring Lamau. It's not a curse word. Relax. All right. So let me show you something. Go. This is Double Free School. And you're the fiddlehead. All right. So basically, this it's a website called Double Free Schools. It's basically a sort of it's basically a website that teaches people how to basically do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP, SQL, and many more too as well, as you can see above. So basically what you can do if I want to learn like HTML, for example, you go press learn HTML, and then you got all of this that could help you out. Basically, little stuff that can help you out. If you go to like introduction, and we're to introduce you what HTML, which is basically hypertext markup language. And then there's like example. There's also little quizzes too as well to test you out your knowledge if you know it correctly. So you got a basic exercise right here, and then you basically have. So basically, if you submit the answer, it will go you to the quiz. And then next question, and then which one of the following header has the correct HTML syntaxes? That'll be this one. Here you go. And then it tests you out. Who invented HTML? Tim Berners-Lee. I know that one. And then here we go. And then you go like similar quizzes at that. I know I'm going a little bit through faster at this, but if you ever want to learn anything about coding in terms like web development, CSS, or JavaScript, or web dev in general, go to doublefreeschool.com. It is, I highly recommend for to anyone who wants to start coding. So yeah, I'm not sponsored by the way, but I do use this time to time when I'm in the pickle. So yeah, moving on now. If you want, I could send you the link, and I'll send you a link on the DM as soon once I finish once I finish streaming. If you want to, of course. Well, in any case, and that's not. By the way, that's not just for Baby Stay. Everybody, I believe everyone has the ability to know how to code. It's just a matter of like, okay, sounds good. Okay, perfect. I'm not saying just for Baby Stay, anyone, for anybody who's still on the stream. I'm saying this for anybody who wants to try out to code at least, like getting their feet wet. It will give you the basis, of course, and then it's gonna be up to you if you want to learn even more. So yeah, back to Python. So now the situation is that we want to find out where is the caret, and we're looking for the word. There's the word caret and vegetable, and since caret's written wrong, it will write me false. It will write me false, cause there's no caret, cause it's false. Wait, I forgot to comment this out. So basically what we're gonna do is that we do a simple autocorrection. Wait, no, it was caret with an E. Caret, and then it should be working. Yeah, wait, what? False? What? Oh, it has an S. Typos, everyone. Very important. And, yeah, returns to true. Alright, we are good. Alright, we are good. Alright, so this is... Oh yeah, and for people who are wondering where what I'm doing, this is directly from the GitHub repository, and I'm using VS Code to do the coding. Very friendly open source, by the way. All right, so what do we do? That is print. Oh yeah, that's task 16. So that's task 16 ton out of 23, by the way. Task 16 out of 23. Task 16 done. And yeah, we should probably able to do this before. What time is it? Oh, it's like 9. Oh no, yeah, we can definitely finish this before. Yeah, we can definitely finish this. All right, that's text. Wait, that's 16, right? Yeah, that's 16. Wait, 16 or 17? Oh, I'm dumb. That was 17. Whoops. Anyway, moving on. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here, guys. There's no error. I just did a mistake. I mistaken number 16 for number 7. I'm mistaking 16 for number 17, guys. Nothing to be seen here, folks. Now this one is missing a variable because I literally just took it from there. What is that supposed to be? What was that supposed to be? All right. Da da da. And then, and then we do answer. Now, the reason why he's giving me the yellow underline is because it doesn't have the string function of vegetable. So we're gonna give that. So, what does it want? What does task 18 want? Change the expression below so that it prints the statement display. The list vegetables defined above in alphabetical order or use the sort function. Ah. Hold on. So you're telling me I need to do this sort. Wait, don't tell me I get away with this. Yeah, no, Python is by far the none. Okay, that's not what I'm supposed to do. Huh. Which one in the alphabetical order? Hold on. I need to review my, hold on. What do I need to do with this? So I need to do that. I need to do all of this. Wait, do I need to do sort vegetable? Is that what I need to do? Oh god, yeah, no, that's not what that is not what I'm supposed to do. A little bit of this, a little bit of this, and a little bit of that won't hurt anyone. Hold on, I'm gonna go back here. Wait, did she introduce us to the sort? Hold on. Hold the phone. Did she introduce us to sort? So, oh, here we go. Oh. Hold on. I think I figure out what to do. Hold on. Hold on. Change the variables in the above and define use the sort function. Wait. Hold on. I might be onto something. Wait, dumbass! Wait, no, wait, I wasn't thinking straight, sorry. That wasn't... Wait, Blank, you dumbass! You had the answer! You just put it wrong! Wait, hold on, wait! That was way... Wait, what I was about to do was way complicated. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. I was doing way more complicated. It was just this. I had to do this. That was it. And then it's gonna sort on itself. Don't laugh at me, baby Steve. Wait, that's what I'm supposed to do, right? Yeah, yeah, and then it's in alphabetical order. Archidil, aubergine, okay, aubergine, which is basically eggplant, carrots, fiddleheads, and turnips. Yeah, all right. It was just simple as that. You know what was okay? You know what I was going to do? It was something stupid. I was about to do this. And then do darts, and then do sort dot like that, which doesn't make any sense. That means I need to do this. And then again, that didn't work anyway, because it will return me the value of 0 if I do this. And then again, that didn't work anyway, because it will return me the value of 0 if I do this. And it will give me an error too as well if I do that. So it was never going to work this, well, task 18 done. I'm gonna type this, 17, 18 done. Alright. Now we got how many? Okay. Alright, how many tasks we have to do before I could gain? 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh god, 23 is the longest. Okay, we got like... Alright, we're almost... Alright, 19, 20... Okay, we got like... Hold on, 19... So we got like... Okay, we got like... Okay, we got like 4 more to go. Nothing big deal. Alright, what did this one do? Task 19, modifying list. Oh, it needs me to modify now. Hold on, I'm gonna do something on the moment. Because, for anybody new who came by, there was a literal fly. I've been more literally with the fly. Because the fly has literally turned off. Oh, god damn it, it's coming back. Because that literal fly has been bugging me since the start, ever since I came back home. Sorry, I was hydrating. Ever since that fly, that fly was literally bothering the entire stream because my lamp is basically a touch lamp. So anything physical touches, it will turn on or off. So when the fly flies by, it will turn off. So this is the second time that happened, and now it's becoming annoying. I want to burn that fly down now. All right, moving on. Task 19, modifying list. Expected output, architect. Task 19, modifying list. Expected output, architugs, aubergine, carrots, fiddleheads, and turnips, radishes. Okay. Okay, so what? Huh? What does it do? Oh, it add radish. Swat the fly. I'll see as soon as I have the opportunity. I'm gonna swat that fly. Okay, it wants me to add radish. Doesn't even write radish. Okay, that's easy. Oh, she wants me to. Oh wait, he wants it sorted too as well. Liz defining. Hold on. So. I was trying to swat the fly. That's why it was quiet. The fly appeared again and it turned on my lamp. That's why. Wait, you guys still hear me? Oh god. Okay, yeah, you guys hear me. Okay, you guys hear me. Okay. I don't know what's going on. Twitch on my side is a bit delayed for some reason. Christ almighty. It was just a goddamn fly. How could one fly be the goddamn end of... How could one fly be that much of a disturbance? To hearing nothing. Sorry, I had to kill a fly. That's what happened. I'm fine. I'm alive. Nobody's dead yet. For now, at least. Da, 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 da. Okay, back to it. How do I solve this? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna do something a bit crazy. There is something called append. There's back in JavaScript, we use append child to add stuff. So I was wondering if I add vegetable dot append, would that work? Cause I'm tending to do that. Hold on, let's try that. Let's definitely try that then. It's not cause I had to my PC. I am very sorry to give you the trouble, but rest assured I muted my mic so you guys could avoid the trashing of my room. So yeah, what if I add a pen? Because usually a pen just adds items. Right? Sorry. That was a burp. Here we go. Ah! It works. Radishes is... Oh, wait. It's not last in my item, though. Huh. Just got home. Oh, okay. Just got home. Oh, well, welcome back home once again. Cows, fiddleheads, radishes, turnips. Wait, but it's in alphabetical order. I want this to put it last, though. Hold on. Okay, what if I just straight up do this? I'm about to do some. Okay, I'm about to do something illegal. What if I just do this? Take out the sort, and then just do that, and then I just do this, 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 and then turnips. Wait. Oh, wait, never mind. I thought you added turnips, but no. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, would that work? I feel like I'm cheating. Because this is not what I'm supposed to do. Okay, it works, but... Well, if it works, I won't bother. Okay, so... I guess that works. Question mark. So, task 19 done. I guess that works, I guess. 19 done. Oh yeah, I don't know if I say this, but baby stay welcome. Glad you're home safe and sound. That's task 19 done, and now we only have, and then there were 4. All right, so we're gonna do this, that, and what's next? Task 20. Holy cow, what is this? What am I seeing? Oh lord, what am I seeing? Task 20, write a for loop. Oh no, for loops! Oh no, for loops, my only weakness. Write a for loop below that prints each items in the list. Vegetables. Defined above, the list should contain the item that you added on task 17. On task 17. You mean this 17? Oh dear. What do I do? Oh dear. What do I do? Oh god, I hate this. We come this far. We can't back up now. Huh. Oh, I hate this. I hate for loops. They're like the bane of my existence. Give me a second. Hold on. Let me think about this. How does for loop works in this Python? For loops. Here we go. Number 5 for an I print I. Okay. Okay. Oh god, I need to do all of that. Print task 20, expected output, Arcuto, Orbigen. Okay. Alright. Oh god. This is more intense than playing video games, I'm not gonna lie. I hate. Why the for loop? Okay, now I'm more. This is where I'm a bit worried about for loops now. Okay, let's see what we can do. All right, let's see what we can do about this. Hold on. Okay, so. It's like it's 9:43. It's too early. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. How do I make it? Okay, so what we need to do is that task write a for loop below that prints out each item of the list. Okay, what if I just do this and then try to Google and find the answer? I just find the answer. Okay, Python loop. My list. Find a list. Wait! Huh? Wait, don't tell me it's that easy. Hold on. Wait, Wait. Wait. I'm thinking about. Hold on. Vegetables. Wait, no, it's item. I'm stupid. It's item that's in vegetables. Here we go. Okay, so far so good. And then if I do this, print the results of my vegetables. Is that it? No, all my items. Please print. Please make it work. I don't want to stuck here again. I don't want to stuck here for another hour. Oh! It works! Okay, it works. Okay, it works. Perfect. It was... Huh. That's only 2 lines of code. That's only 2... Wait, really? I only need 2 lines of codes for doing a loop? No, I guess you're right. No, that is a W. Yeah, no. This is much easier than I thought. Alright, we can do this. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Print and task 21. Loops part 2. Expected output, arquito, aubergine, carrots, and fiddlehead and turnips. Write a for loop below that prints out each item in the list. Vegetables defined above, but with the letters of the items capitalized. Items with the first letter of the items capitalized. Task 17 should be included. Alright. Huh. So all of this has to be capital. So this has to be capitalized now. Alright, she. So what if I do... Hold on, wait. I need to get the vegetables first. Hold on. So this... Turnip and radishes. Oh, wait. I forgot turnips and radishes. Hold on. Wait. Wait, hold on. I didn't do this correctly. I need to have turnips and radishes first. Hold on. It should work. It's just I forgot to add them. Turnips. Turnips and radishes. Here we go. Alright. All clear. Now, first letter of the word capitalized. So they want this to be the first letter capitalized. So do this. Radishes. Oh, god damn it. Alright. That's about it. Alright, and now we need to do the for loop. Now we're just gonna borrow this items and do a for loop. And then I want the first... Wait, so for real, we doing code for? What are we doing code for? Oh, it's for an assignment for my school. That's why we're doing coding. It's basically an assignment for my programming class back in my university. For item vegetables. Why is print bugged? That's not supposed to happen. Oh wait, I'm dumb. I need to put this. Yeah, no, that's why. That's why I'm saying it's a bit. It's the new formula. That's the like stream I was trying to do because that's the new formula stream that I was trying to do now. Cause now I'm just doing stream that's filling my assignment. But don't worry, after this I'll be able to play a game. I'll be at least able to play a game, and that game will be Fallout New Vegas. Hold on, per item. Now, if I want the first letter capitalized, what do I do? Hold on. For loop, capitalize. For loop, capitalize. Capitalize. Of course, someone's excited, but it's gonna be streaming for an hour at least. If we've done in an hour, if we're able to done this like in an hour, it's gonna be at least like an hour stream of New Vegas. Now, how do I capitalize? Capitalize the first letter. First letter. How do I do that? Hold on. Google, how do I do that? For inappuralize. Oh, wow. That's it? Hold on. Very good. I was just curious. Oh, okay. Well, now you know. Hold on. What if I use this? What if I use capitalize? Wait, I can't write capitalized. Will this work? No, it does not, of course. Of course not. That will be too easy. Capitalized. How do I do that? That. Capitalize each question's title. Huh. Do I need to do this then? Huh. Hold on. Apparently, do I need to add this in the... No, that'll be not... No, that's not what I wanted to do. Huh. Wait, where's my notes? Here we go. title, and then this function will replace every letter at the beginning each word with the upper class. So capitalized. I have to do vegetable cap. Vegetable cap. Wait, what if I just do this? Wait, is that it? Don't tell me that's it. Do this, and then doing this. No, it's not. The goddamn fly. Hold on. The fly's back. Now you stay away from my goddamn lamp. Hold on. Capitalized loop. Hold on. Capitalized Python. Capitalized. Wait, using title on for loops. Here you go. Dot title, banana, grape, and fruits. Oh wait, no, I was dumb. Wait. It was basically this. I had the answer. This should probably do it because I look it up on because the note I had just gave me the answer. Like, if you guys wonder what kind of note I was talking about, hold on, let me just pull that up. If you guys wondering what load I was referring to, here we go. Just switching here. This note. This is the note I was looking. This was the note. It was putting that in the end. That's what I was missing. Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, sometimes I think too much for my own good. Switch back here, back to coding. Would that work? Yes, it works. It all capitalized. Perfect. Perfect, all capitalized. And that's 20. We got, oh no, that's 21. And that's 20 and 21 done. 20 and 21 done. That's 20 and 21 done. Those, yeah. M knows what it is. The good old WordPress the good old website WordPress guy, courtesy of Sabine. She actually done it well this year. This semester, she actually done it well. I think she really took at heart with the feedbacks we gave her. I think, if you remember, we had like a forms to do. I mean, at least what they did for my class, and then they had to. And then I think she looked it up of the thing, and they were like, "Oh no, I think I was a bit too hard on the class." And then in this set, and then there we go on Python. Actually, funny story for people who just arrived. So this class is called Networks and Navigation. Supposedly, it's basically doing like maintaining is like finding a way to do networks and servers with with our website. The thing is, that was originally this is originally supposed to be coded with PHP, and this is in PHP coding. I tried it once. It was a nightmare. And yeah, last semester was a bit of a nightmare with previous JavaScript experience, because it was really not well explained. So yeah, this class for this semester's class I'm talking about, and networks and navigation, it was supposed to be with PHP, which is a bit worse, I could say. Cause oh man, it was something. Cause oh man, PHP is something else, and so far Python is less punishing so far, and is actually really good. It's actually really fun to figure out some stuff. So let's get So let's get coding again. So let me test. So now test 22. Our output expect is to be 25, 18, 19. Oh wait, it's just repeating the. Oh, it's the same thing but with the dates. What happens if I do this? Hold on. Python worksheet A. Huh? Oh wait, I forgot. I forgot PY. Hold on. Sheet this A dot. Wait, A with a cap. A with a cap. Blank. 1825. Yeah, then it's just show up all these, all of this. Now we need to figure out modify variable glue so that it can glue. How does it work? How does glue works? Would it? Yes, we go. Yeah, Em and I go to the same university actually. For your information, of course. This is how we met. Actually, this is how we met too as well. This is actually how we first met too as well. So if you join glue.join. Okay, so your besties now. Like, thank you, Baby State. That actually reassuring. Thank you. I am glad to know that we are now besties, baby Stay. I'm very glad. I am very glad. Any friends of Emma's is Emma's bestie. Aw, thank you. Aw, this is actually nice, baby Stay. Thanks a lot. We met at Joey's class. Yeah, it was from another class. Basically, how Emma and I met was basically she had a phone wallpaper of a character in Mass Effect. I think it was. Hold on. I need me. Did we met in Joey's? Yeah, we met in Designs class. Yeah. Yeah, we met on Joey's class, and then I saw from our phone wallpaper was like, "Hey, that looks like Garrus on your phone wallpaper," and then it all started from there, because of that one character, that's sort of familiar that was familiar with back in Mass Effect. Yeah, we met on the. Hold on, what do I need to do now? Oh yeah, the glue part. Oh yeah, the glue thing. Hold on. So, if I could not mistaken correctly, that's so cool. I gotta continue the game. Massive. Yeah, you gotta continue the game. Hey, if you have some. Hey, if time allows you, you can play any game you want as long as time allows you, man. Oh god damn it, the fly. Well, claim from Mellow. Oh no, I didn't came from. No. I came from. Actually, I originally came from Noel's. I actually came from Noel's community because this is actually the first community I was introduced by Emma, and then I met babies, and then Noel made raid baby stay, not baby stay, sorry, and then he raided Death Buddy, and then for some few community, I met Dunny too as well afterwards, and then this is where I met, and then through Noel, Death Buddy, and Dunny, and this is where I met Mello, and that is the first time I appear in Mello's chat when he does the face reveal. This is where I popped up. So yeah, here's my origin story of how I appear in the community now. Like honestly, you guys are like the most wholesome. Honestly, all three of your communities are like the most wholesome communities so far. You guys are so welcoming. You guys are so welcoming, and you guys help a lot with M2 when it comes to streaming. She was actually thankful of you guys, especially to Paxu as well. So honestly, you guys are really welcoming, and that helps out, and that really helps like small communities of Twitch streaming too as well. Cause my few years, cause if I look back a few years ago, I got nothing, I had nothing until I met you guys. So yeah, Pack brought everyone together. I know. Pax is honestly, Pax is literally MVP when it comes to like connecting with community. It helped a lot of people, honestly. And I understand like why people like worshiping Packy too as well. Because I feel like there's some kind of call to pet. Because I feel like there's a community of there's like a packy cult somewhere in the somewhere nearby. How do I do this? Hold up. Yeah. So I was right. So there is a little cult. There is a little cult where we worship Pack. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I'll be down. It's just that I'm more surprised there's actually a literal cult that worships it. I'm the cult. I'm the cult. She says. What is the initial rites for joining the cult of the so-called cult? By the way, hold on, I'm figuring out something. Okay, I might solve the problem already. Packy DM'd me after I went back to my stream where I thanked him for introducing me to the community and sent a goddamn paragraph that I read through it all. Aww. He really did that? Aw, that's actually sweet of him. You have to be nice to Pack and acknowledge how amazing he is by telling him. Of course. I'm pretty sure that goes with everyone when they do it. Honestly, that's how you join a cult. Maybe say I think you've been... Honestly, this is so... Honestly, so am his... Honest to God, the sweetest. Aw. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel you guys. I think that... I feel you guys. And that brings me more... Honestly, I was more of like... honestly, I thought the Packy being a good person was actually an inside joke, but now I get it. Like, I was dead wrong. It is actually much more bigger than that. Yeah, he's really... Like, honestly, he's like the sweetest person so far. Hey, you guys want to turn it into a PAX appreciation stream while we're at it? While I like do the coding of before last questions. No, wait, no, wait, guys, hear me out. Ask him to thank Mama Pack for having Mama Pack. You had to ask her mom. You literally ask his mom. You thanked his mom too. Wow, talking about taking up a notch, huh? Bro, my guy, I think you took it up a notch a little bit, don't you say? Damn. APY. I mean, that works, right? Yeah, it works. Perfect, it works. It was only missing a slash and a this, cause this was missing a separator. Wait, no, hear me out. Actually, I have an idea. What if one day, when everybody has a time to discuss, what if we do a stream that is just appreciating Packy? Like, all streamer who knows Packy does just a random stream that that basically expresses their appreciation for Packy for what he done to the community. Cause that will be a good idea. I'm just saying, probably like somewhere in his birthday or something. I'm down. If somebody knows when is his birthday, we could probably plan out about this. 22 done. Here we go. When have we made a video? I could do that. I could definitely do that for everyone. That's for sure. We could definitely do a video for it. We can definitely do a video for him. I'll try to figure out something. I can find out. Okay, you're gonna be our spy, Baby Star. You're gonna be our spy. I need you to know when is going to be Packy's birthday. Because if it's next year, we got plenty of time. But if it's in a few months, we need to work this plan fast. Oh god, what is this? Task ready 23. Make 3 changes on the Python code as allowed. 1 replace with. Oh god. Oh god, my brain. Nah, I think next year. Okay, perfect. I guess we're gonna have a little bit more time. You know what? You can ask him if you want to, because probably later. If one of us has like has time or either remembers like to ask him when it's his birthday, then we can pinpoint that and then initiate the plan on how to do it, and we can make it all into one video. Yeah, just a normal video, just everybody thanking Packy, just everyone who knows Packy, just thank him about it. Anybody who's thankful to Packy to be in one video. That'll be it. Simple as that. What do I do then? Yeah, May 26th. Gotcha. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to note this. Alright, I'm about to note this on my calendar now. Don't ask how I know. I won't ask. I'm glad I don't even care. I'm glad you just told me. May 26th. Here we go. Alright. May 26th. Packy's birthday. Alright. Alright, we can start the plan next year if we could. So, I note the... So, hold on, let me switch this. Let's switch to Windows. Alright. You see this, guys? Everybody who's still on the stream, remember, May 26th. May 26th. May 26th is gonna be on Pack's birthday. All the 7 people who are here and knows Packy. May 26th. Don't ask how we know this. We got information from Baby State that is on May 26th. And we thank you for that, Baby State, too, as well. And thank you for knowing the birthday, too, Baby State. So, yeah, May 26th. Video surprise for everyone. I'll probably DM you. I'll probably DM each and every one of you to say at least a thank you to Packy. And that'll be all. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm gonna save this. And now we can go back. And now we can finish the coding. Get away, you fly. Jesus, down on the ceiling. Where is it? Calculator, where's VS Code? Where's my VS Code? Oh, here. Perfect. May we say, thank you again for the information. We will never forget your sacrifice. Alright, so what do we do with this one? So we replace this with what? Oh, wait, no, I know what to do. We just need to... We just want... we need to add this. We need to add the comma in each and every thing. And then this, we add... Hold on, let me think. Letter name. New letter. We add letter name because this is what's the new. That's the new thing that's been added. Letter name, and then we want to add something, and then letter name. What's in letter name? New letter. New letter, and then we add something on the letter name, which is the Greek. It doesn't make sense, but you'll. In list, new letter list. Alright, okay, I know what to do now. Break. Damn it. Append child. Append dot. You got it. Print and letter name. That should work. Wait, no, I'm not done. I'm not done. I forgot the parenthesis. I can't get this off. We should be good, right? New letter split. Wait, I forgot. New letter list. It's a split. I need to add a split. I need to add a... Fucking goddamn it. I need to add a split. Is this... Is this... But split. Dot split. Okay, just an overall explanation of what we're doing. To make free changes on a Python file, replace this with an expression that evaluates the list of the two items eta. That's what split. This is where split comes in, because we're using this. So we're gonna split between eta and theta. Step 2, replace the word pass with a Python statement. So for the for loop has the effect of adding 2 new. That's how we have Greek, because letter name is a new statement. That's why we need to add this. Followed by that, step number 3. Oh, and it's also set here too as well. And afterwards, change the value. Afterwards, change the value of the variable glue so that it desired its output to display. Bam, glue. And bam, we got glue. So this should work. And it will display this. So this, alright, moment of truth, everyone. Sheet a.py. It works. We're done. That's it. Work's over. We're done. Yeah, no, that's it. Work's over. Free done. Yeah, that's it. Homework done, everyone. And we only did this in a worker time of 2 hours and 38 minutes. Yeah, we can stream. Yeah, we can definitely play Fallout New Vegas in an hour. Yeah, we're done. We are definitely done. I'm just gonna hold on. I'm gonna send this quickly to my. I'm gonna quickly send this to my assignment Moodle and then be on my way. And then be on the way out. Now I'm just gonna open Fallout New Vegas now. Yeah, we're done. Well, thank you for everybody who stayed for 2 hours and 39 minutes for the assignment. Now, let's play New Vegas. Because the new season is coming soon. Let me just do this. Let's do this for the New Vegas. Yes, yes. Alright. Here you go. Time to play New Vegas, everyone. Wait, is Pack here? Wait, I just saw put it away before Pack shows up. I mean, he's not on a stream, right? Oh, I can say that easily. No, he's not on stream. I could okay, no, Pax is not on the stream. I don't see him for the last. He isn't. Yeah, no, he's not. Thank you for confirming. Yeah, he isn't. Yeah, thank you for the confirmation. All right. Time to play New Vegas. So, hold on. Where were we yesterday? I mean, on Sunday. I haven't finished my watermelon. Wait, I forgot to do this. Because, unfortunately, I figured out some bad news. Because apparently, the gay... His stance is so polite. Thank you. I'm glad you said... Oh, thank you. Glad you noticed. Okay, so, unfortunately... Howdy to you, ma'am. Unfortunately, I cannot turn on the New Vegas radio. Or else this stream and the live stream on YouTube would be flagged as copyright because there was a bunch of music that I couldn't use for this stream. That is on the New Vegas radio. So, no Radio New Vegas, sadly. Damn, we're gonna miss out on Mr. New Vegas. God damn it. Alright, where are we? Oh yeah, we got a new companion robot. Everyone, meet Edie. Meet Edie, everyone. Second best boy. Second best boy of the Fallout companion. Alright, let's just... And now we can put away our stuff now. Wait, hold on. I gotta sneeze. I feel like I'm gonna have a sneeze. No, we're good. Okay. We're gonna do this, this, and that. Wait, hold on. Double back. Friend. Yeah, we're good. Friend. Friend indeed. Friend indeed. Because apparently this, and like all companions, most of the time. Hello. And oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, Baby Stay popped up. Sorry if you didn't know, Baby Stay popped in. That was, I thought I was gonna get fall damage. Where are we going to go? We need to go to Prim. No, Novat. We need to go to Nipton, yeah. So, yeah, we need to go all the way. No, it's Novak we need to go first. This was a companion's quest. Now we need to go to Novak. Look in the chat. Everybody saying hi and hello and being wholesome. Too bad we can't play the baby. Too bad we can't play the Radio New Vegas because, or else if I do that, it's gonna be claimed as it's gonna be flagged for copyright. Actually, while you guys have it, you guys might as well know who is ED. So ED is a iBot, which is basically the robot model. It's actually a iBot from the remnants of the Enclave which is the government, the shadow government of the post-apocalyptic. So basically, his quest is involved to find out who he is, to find his identity. So basically, you go around to New Vegas, and oh, that's a... Huh, okay. I didn't know that was a quest marker. So basically, you go all these little... Basically, you go some of these checkpoints, and then you figure it, and then you figure out what... and then you figure out a little bit of his backstory. So yeah, that's his quest, and that's an ant. Wait, am I supposed to go there? Yeah, no, it's the right way. It's the right way. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys are wondering why I named my character, his name is Who Shot My Face? Not smiley face. I just wanted to put that out. Oh, that's a scorpion. That's a dead... Oh, no, it's dead. Okay, yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're definitely good. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, I guess we're attacking the ants, I guess. I know. Alright. Okay, he smoked. All right. Rule number three in the wasteland: never waste your kill. Grab every meat you can make. We can sell their meat and eat them. Good health points too, as well with ant meat. Yeah, we can leave. And that's a giant rat scorpion. Oh, you're eating ice cream? What a vibe. Oh, Baby Stay, you're eating ice cream? What a vibe. Oh wait, I forgot to change the stream. Hold on. I forgot to change the stream name. I will leave the tag. I'll leave the tag in, but I'm just gonna change the category. Out to New Vegas. Here we go. And done. Here we go. That should do it. Wait, actually, funny story, everyone. Wait, actually, funny story, everyone. During the afternoon in the afternoon in school, we had a fire drill that lasted at least an hour at least an hour and 30 minutes. So while we waited for the fire drill to be, and don't worry, it's basically a practice fire drill, so there was not actual fire. But it was actually hilarious that there was actually a fire drill in the middle of a class. So what we did, what I did with a friend is that we went to the nearby ice cream store, and then we just buy ice cream from here, and then we wait out. That's it. That's it. She bought a smoothie, and she bought a script. Not M. It was another person. I bought an ice cream cone, and she bought a smoothie, matcha smoothie. Yeah. Oh, Napolitan crunchy choco almond and Napolitan ice cream. Oh, you guys have good flavors. I'm supposed to be getting ambush here, am I? Come on. Yep, ambush right there. Yeah, we took advantage of it easily. And here goes your nuts. Give me your stuff. I'll take that whiskey too, and I'll take your clothes so I can sell it in the black market. Where's the other one? Here they are. Oh, you know what? We're streaming. Let's do something. Oh, we let the little robot take care of it. Nice job, Edie. Alright. Oh, was that a... Wait, there was another... I saw another guy. I'm probably mistaken. Oh. Oh. Oh, there he is. He's running away. Hello, you. Say, what are we having, aren't we? Well, I guess ED took care of everything. Nice job, buddy. Yeah, prove your usefulness. I'm gonna repair that. And... mercenary grenade. Ooh, we got another mercenary grenade. And power repeater. Oh, I'll definitely using that as my primary now. Ooh, I'm definitely using this. Straight caravan. I'll replace it with this. Yeah. Oh, baby, we got the good gun. So, yeah, it was a simple fire drill that happening in the afternoon. So, yeah, fire drill happened, and we literally took the advantage of, like, buying a nice vanilla ice cream cone and a matcha smoothie. Because we were near a matcha store, too, as well. Apparel... leather, merc grunt, waste leather, outfit, and brand steel. Oh, they're all trash, but I could sell them for good money. Alright. Time to sleep and get healed. Perfect. And I'll just... Bro, let me sleep. I missed my shots. What the fuck? Yo, what's the damage output on this? Oh, I'm over encumbered. Hey, Edie. I need your space. I'll put away this. We don't need those knives. I'll put away that laser pistol. And I think it was the... Where's my Imperial? Here we go. This. Wait, no, I need the vault suit. Wait, no, give me back that vault suit. I need it. Oh, no, what was it? Oh, it's my hat. Give me that hat. Wait, E? Thank you. Because I want to hide that ugly... What's that? Oh, it's the... Wait, I know who to shoot. Wait, I know who to shoot. It's that woman. That woman's trying to steal some blue cast from him. I played this. I know what to do. Get away from him! Hello? Hello? Here we go. Jeez, what's with me with the one-shots? Yeah, because he wants your blue caps. I had any idea why? Yeah. You are lucky and I'm not gonna give you. Just be careful more in the future. Alright, so basically, the story behind the blue cap is that people are going crazy with them because it leads some sort of legend. Oh wait, I could take your stuff now. So basically, the legendary blue caps, they're basically like, it's a legend. Basically, if you collect enough blue caps, you will open them into a new world or new world or something. At least gains you access to the treasure. Oh, it's this guy again. Hey, buddy, you're gonna tell me you won the lottery, huh? Tell me you won the lottery, huh? Are you feeling alright? Are you a powder ganger? Alright. See you later. I like when he just became enthusiasm and then he says like, bye. Alright, okay. Fair warning, there'll be upsetting image anytime soon. First, let's help this guy. Hey buddy, need a hand? Okay, calm down. Why are you still there? Oh wait, Boxcar couldn't explain what's going on. Oh wait, I don't have any medics though. How did you survive? Yep, he's gonna explain. Okay, so basically, long story short, the Caesar Legion just invaded Nimpton because it was considered too unpure. So, I'm gonna let this guy explain what's going on. How did the plan go wrong? Yep, what happened to Everett after he got the lottery tickets? And what happened to the mayor? Yeah, that's a bit of gruesome image. Yeah, it's a bit crazy, I know. I'll do what I can to save them. Alright, let's go then. Time for me to go. So basically, what happened is that, well, it is crazy. So long story short, to give you a summary, NCR, some couple of people, and the NCR, and a couple of people from Nimpton just came in one day until the the Caesar's Legion show up. So basically, they considered the town of Nimpton corrupted and impure. So they bring the lottery tickets. They try to capture everyone, and then pull out the lottery ticket. The rest basically boxcars mostly explain most of what's going to happen when people pull out the lottery ticket. So yeah, that is one of the few examples how brutal the Legion Caesar is. Legion Caesar is, and that's world building. This is a perfect example of how you world building your antagonist. Because technically, the Caesar Legions are the bad guys. I can lockpick. Let me see if I could get something. Perfect. What do we got here? Oh, it's the stairs. What do we got? Wait, hold on. It's too dark. Here we go. Say, what do we got? 46 monocap and some prior mine. Honestly, how he established the leisure season it's a perfect example of how you set up your world building villains. Well, villains on air quote, because some people think they're good, because some people choose their ending. Harmonica. Shot of glass. No, I think that was it. Yeah, there wasn't much in this. There wasn't much in here. So I guess we can... Toaster... No, that's it, I think. Oh, wait, no, crap. Yeah, these are food. We can... Yeah, these are food. We can take this. Some milk bottle. We'll take some cigarette. We can sell them. Oh, water. It's dirty water, but we can purify them. Damn it. I'm stuck. We can do this and that. And then take some money. And yeah, that'll be it. Yep, that's it. Now let's meet the Caesar Legion. They'll be in front of the mayor's room. Yeah. So these are the people who gets crucified. And there's no way to save them. You need to put them out in misery, which I don't want to. I don't have the heart. Well. Hey, buddy. How's it going? Oh, yeah. I should do something first. These crows... I realized something. Last time when I played this, these crows give you 1 XP. Okay, 2 XP, but that's because I have the perk. Yeah, that's one way to get XP. Hey, buddy. Hi. Yeah. Okay, what lesson do you teach here? Oh, should I skip it? Alright. I've heard enough. And you're one creepy motherfucker, just to let you know. Can I keep talking to you? Your cursor... Hold on, what happens if I... Hold on, I'm actually curious. Oh no, wait. I want to... What exactly what happened here? Blah, blah, blah. I've heard enough. Okay, fine. Hold on, what happens if I say I'll do what as you ask? Can't create one of pause. That's it? Nothing? Huh. I don't know, I thought I will gain some infamy, but I guess that's better. Well, oh, we can go to Nipton, that's for sure. Well, next up will be Novak then, I guess. Oh, let me just pinpoint that. So yeah, that's what happened in Nipton. Few people of the Caesar Legion just shows up and says, like, the puppy. That's a canine. Yeah, these are mongrel dogs, right? Hold on, I can check them. Actually, we can... Owen and... Oh! That's one of the... Okay, long story short, I equipped the Wild Wasteland perk, and the reason why they show both Owen and Beru, these are reference from the Star Wars franchise, with Uncle Ben and Aunt Beru die during the during New Hope episode. These are actually called Legion Mongrels. Yeah, they're actually a couple of good boys. They're going that way. Interesting. I guess we could, you know... I guess we could go there. I guess we'll go to the opposite end. We're not gonna follow them because if we follow them, there's definitely going to be a firefight going on. Alright, moving on. Wait, I forgot to fix this. Items, this... Camera repeater, fix that. Here we go. Alright, so when we enter here, there should be a landmine trap right about somewhere here. Quick save here, just in case. So what time is it? So yeah, we're gonna probably close at 11. So we're probably gonna stop streaming in the next 45 minutes, because it's pretty late at my place. Because it's technically 11, yeah, almost 11:30, 11:30 on my place, and I need to go to school tomorrow. Alright, so this place is filled with mines. I'll take that, thank you. I'll be streaming a little bit. I'll be streaming a little bit. It's just that the closing's coming, so here's the ambusher. Oh wait, no, that's a sheep. That's the sheep. I thought. Wait, there's an ambush. That's an ambush here. I know that's an ambush. I played this game like 4 times. Oh, might as well take these. Fill up these. Take that. Take this. I'll take that. Okay, where are you? Alright, where are you? I know you're hiding somewhere. You guys are not fully... Yep. Idiot detect finds you guys. Oh, they're up there? Where are they? Edie, find them. Where are they? Oh, it's over there. She got caught by her own might. There's another one. Come on, hit. Land. Land, damn you. Land it. Land the shot. Land the shot. Oh my god. Wait, I need something more effective. Give me a second. That didn't reach him. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Efficiency. There's another one? Where? What the hell? Edie, where? I think it's gone. Okay. I'll take these and call it a day. Alright, moving on. Oh, what now? Another one? Really? Damn it, I forgot how much broken ED is. Oh, it's these guys again. Hello. I forgot how broken ED is. I'll take his stuff, though. What did you had? Ooh, medics, bobby pin, bottle caps, fresh potato, scrap metal, a steady. Oh yeah, that'll be it. Oh, the dog is still there. Hello. No on what? Oh, the dog's still there. Hello. Huh? No about what? Wait, did I shot something that... Wait, what happened? Oh, I thought we died. Oh, no, we're fine. Don't worry. Oh, no, don't worry. We're fine. We're still breathing. I played this game like 3 or 4 times. And I'm playing this because the new season 2... Because season 2 of Fallout is coming out. And it's taking place in New Vegas. Oh, we can grab the special cleaver, though. So, this place in particular houses a very special item. This house, right there. This house, right there. Here we go. And we got a vermin rifle. That's not what we're interested in. We'll take that bobby pin, though. We'll take that bobby pin. We'll take the ammo case. We'll take the ammo. And this is the item we're looking for. Introducing the chopper. So this chopper is actually a unique item, actually. Let me fix my... Oh, let me fix my weapon first. Oh, wait, we can't. So this thing does bonus limb damage, and it does 10 damage. It even does 10 damage if I remember correctly. But it does bonus limb damage. This is actually... This thing It's actually a reference on one of the horror movies, a slasher, if I remember correctly. I think it was Leatherface. Because, yes, it's controversial. It's not a chainsaw, but he does use meat cleaver because he's a cannibal. So, yeah, fun fact. Ooh, the merchant. We can get stuff from him. Alright, buddy. I'm here to sell my stuff. Wait, who's the... You are, aren't you? Nope, you're in a mercenary. Traveler merchant, here we go. Yes, I like to see your wares. Do you have any 12 gauge? You do have... Wait. Do you have any 12 gauge? 12 gauges? Here we go, yeah. 12 gauge. I'll take that. I'll take 37 your energy cells. I'll sell this. Cargo repeater, I'm keeping it. Mercenary Straight Shotgun, Vermin Rifle, we're keeping that. Battleline Armor, we're gonna sell this. And then we had like, I'll sell that. Fork, hammer, harmonica, hot plate, metal spoon, pack of cigars, some pre-war money, toaster, and sold. The more you know. The more you know. The more you know. Do this. Then I'm gonna sell. No, we can keep those. Here we go.
Hey there.
How do? Oh wait, no, I'm not finishing. I'm not finishing my business. Sir, I'm not finished my business with ya. Yeah, I like to see your wares. I'm still selling this. I'm selling this. Knives. And here we go. Sold. And do you sell any stims? No, you're from the other merchant. No, I need to talk to the other merchant. Yes, I like to see your wares. Or you guys share the same exact inventory. What am I doing? No, you don't have any stim packs. Okay. Alright, moving on to Novak. Which is funny because it's not because it was named Oh. My game crashed. My game crashed. Well, it was to be expected. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna open the game again. Give me a second. Oh dear, it's all right. It's all right. Don't worry. It's all right. Don't worry. It happens all the time. It happens It happens every minute and now and then. It's all right. Don't worry. All's under control. Don't worry. All right. And continue. And yes, let's go. Thank God I quick save. Yeah, I quick save exactly when I left. Perfect. All right. On to Novak we go. Oh! 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 Oh, there's a firefight here! Oh! Oh, let's watch the fight. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, someone's running away. Oh shit, they wiped them. Holy cow, they wiped them. Free loot. Look, free loot, everyone. Free loot. Don't worry, they were bad guys anyway. Don't never waste a kill. No. Oh, I guess we can we can take your stuff. Where's the merchant? Oh, they're over there. I can sell their stuff. It's a good day to be a vulture. Brought my shit, here we go. And then I'm gonna fix some few stuff and then I'm gonna sell them. I'm gonna sell these, then leisure armor. Yeah, that'll be it, I guess. Let me Let me find you guys. You guys are here. Allow me to sell my finest wares, sir. By that, the ones I found like not 30 minutes ago, like 5 minutes ago. You guys fought. Yes. I'll sell chopper. No, I'm keeping chopper. There's a machete. Sell that. And I'll sell the single shotgun. I prefer my sturdy caravan shotgun. Or cruiser, and that'll be it. And yep, that's it. Yeah, I'm free. Let's go. I was only 68 cast bed. Hey, little counts. Rule number 10 in the apocalypse, everyone. Never waste a loot. Always loot the bodies, no matter how long they were dead. All right. Oh, how far are we? Oh God. I think once we reach to Novak, I think we'll be able to have time to, well, at least recruit one new companion. And this companion is a bit sad. Alright, we're almost, oh, wait, we got some red here. Uh-oh. Got some red here. Oh no, we got some reds. I think these are mole rats. I know there's mole rats in this area. ED, go get him. Get him, boy. Oh, wait, you're a druggie. Viper, another Viper, okay. Take your grenade launcher. Whetstone. Jesus Christ. Thank you, ED. Who's next? Square up. Square up. Alright. Alright. I'm leaving you with this, and this. Alright, square up. Who's next? 6 feet or turret, 6 feet. Jesus Christ, ED. Relax. He's the main character. Oh, level up. Alright, let's go. Okay, we gotta level up. I'll invest more on science this time. Because we get good stuff by unlocking. Because I know I know both science and repair are going to be super useful when it comes to stuff. Let's add more sneaks, because we will need that later on. And 22 on medicine. No new perks. No new attributes. Okay. Alright. Alright. Who's next? 6 feet apart or 6 feet deep? 6 feet apart or 6 feet deep, people. Who's next? Oh, it's the mole rats. Oh shit. Alright. Oh, that's an ugly sight. What do you drop? Mole rat meat. We like those. Alright. We should be close to Nimton at this rate since we saw some few mole rats. I can feel it in my genes. Alright. So Nimton's not that far. That's not Nimton, that's a checkpoint. That's a fall damage, fall damage. Fall damage, Blake. Fall damage. Blake, there's fall damage in this game. Yeah, even ED took some fall damage. Alright. Come on, come. Oh, wait, my game. Game, hello? Snap out of it. Snap out of it, game. Game, what are you doing? Game, what the hell was that? Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah, yeah. I swear, New Vegas is really good. It's just, it happens once in a time. That's the Rangers checkpoint. Yep, Ranger Station. We're not going there. We're not going there, but we're almost in Nimton. I mean, Novak. Just a little bit further in. It's gonna take a while. All right. All right, there it is. The big dinosaur. All right, we're there. Yeah. Hold on. Before we do anything, I need to go back. I'll be back. Alright, we're back, gamers. Alright, we're back, gamers. Alright, is it day or night? Wait, it's still night, right? Or is it morning? Oh, we can definitely get that map away now. Remove marker. Remove marker. No, remove it. Remove it. Wait, what? What is this marker then? Oh god. Oh well. Well, wait, we can catch on Boone. Wait, can we catch on? We can catch up with Boone. Oh, here's Vector. Oh, Vector, best NPC. Hey, Victor, how's it going? What are you doing in Novak? Oh, so what's the story with this place? Gotcha. It's nice to see a friendly face. I could use some bed and supplies. Gotcha. I already done this, but it always feels good to talk to Victor. You said the men that jumped me were heading this way, right? Alright, catch you later then. Goodbye. Alright then. I think we can talk to Boone, which is a possible companion that we talk, but he only appears between 9 o'clock to 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Is he still there? Bingo. Nice to see you, Boone. Expecting a visitor? Okay, this is where Boone's going to have an interesting story. Sorry. So, long story short, with Boone's character is that he's a former ranger. Basically, he's usually formerly with the NCR, but things got a little bit shaky, and here he is. So now, I just wanted to check something new. Okay, I'm just making a friendly conversation. Well, I'm not from here. Why is that? What do you mean rule standing on business? He has a tragic backstory. You will see why. Yeah, you're trying to track down your wife. And how do you know that? How do you know your wife is dead? Hmm. Fair enough. All right. Fair enough. I'll see what I can do to help. Fair enough. All right. Goodbye. So, long story short, Boone was a former NCR sniper patrol, and sadly, and I'm gonna stop the story here. And I'm gonna stop his backstory here because he's actually something to experience with. Actually, you'll see why. So, who could be our culprit, you ask? Well, let me just switch to night. Hold on. Let me just do this. And hey, before I do that, what's wrong with Boone? We haven't met. What is this place? So, hold on. Tell me about what is interesting around here. Sorry if I skip out around a lot of dialogue. I see. Seems sweet, isn't she, right? Yeah. Well, anyway, what can you tell me about Boone's wife? Hmm. Hmm. Hey. Now that sounds something suspicious, huh? Um. Goodbye. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna pickpocket her. I got quick save. Do this. She didn't see me. Take her save key. Open that. I'll take everything. Now let's see that little nice list of hers. Bill of sale. We, the representative of the Council of the Officerium, that's the Legion. How does she not see? Shh. In your debt. I have a good sneaky stat. Anyway, we, the representative of the Council of Officerium, sounds like a lot of the Legion, have this day bargained and purchased from Jenny May Crawford of the Township of Novak the exclusive rights to ownership and sale of the slave Carla Boone for the sum of 1,000 bottle caps, and those of her unborn child for the sum of 500 bottle caps. The receipt whereof is hereby acknowledged. We warrant the slave and her young to be sound healthy and slave for life. We covenant with the said Jenny May Crawford that we have full power to bargain and sell said slave of her offspring payment of an additional 500 bottle caps. Will be due pending successfully of maceration of the fetus, the claim of which shall be guaranteed by the possession of this document. So, things of our sneaky detective work, we know that Ginny Mae Crawford is the person who stole Boone's wife. So what are we gonna do? We bring in front of the dinosaur. I like to rent a room. 100 caps. Thank you. Thank you. Now, come with me in the dinosaurs, will ya? And now, currently is 6:45. Let's do this in 15 hours. This all makes sense, I guarantee you. Alright, it's nighttime. You know what time it is? Where's Crawford? Oh, did she come? It came back to her house? God damn it. Oh, she went back to her house. God damn it. Oh, that son of a bitch went back to her house. Crawford, where is she? Oh dear, I think we lost her. Oh god, what happened to her? Oh, here she is. She just walks really slowly. Tell me about my record. Where can I find more? I'm looking for the checker suit. What is it lately? Where's the gun? Come with me. There's something you should see in front of the dinosaur. Alright, I think we lost her a bit, so let me bring in the signal. Alright, Boone. Here's your culprit. Here's the... See this woman? She's the one who stole your wife. Take the shot. Oh, that was quick. Now give me back my 100 caps. Give me back my 100 caps. Never mind. I just wasted my 100 caps for nothing. Well. Hey, Boone. Oh, sorry. Hey, Boone. Well, I found this bill of sale. Well, what do you do afterwards? Well, you should join us. I thought snipers work as teams. Oh well. Alright, and just like that, we got Boone as our new companion. And just like that, we got Boone as our new companion. He's an interesting character, trust me. So now, we can go to the hotel, and oh yeah, I have a mohawk, by the way. Now, let's go to our house. And now, this is our new place now. I gotta put all the stuff that... Alright, give me all the stuff. Yep. And now, we're gonna put everything... Nope. And put everything into the safe. This. I'll put this, Berman rifle, and laser pistol, followed by that, all of this. And there we go. There we go. Now we sleep. And now we sleep. Alright. Alright, Boone. Ready for an adventure. Let's talk to him a bit more. I just want to talk to him. Here we go. So, are you an outlaw now? Fair enough. That's a few. What is you are telling me about your wife? Fair enough. You're right. I was out of line. Understandable. All right. I have some question. No, tell me about yourself. What did you serve? What outfit did you serve in the military? How did you join the first recon? All right. Is that a first recon parent? Perfect. What's the slogan? Nice. Tell me about Ken McCarran. Fair enough. Perfect. Fair enough. What do you think about General Oliver? Damn. Do you know Colonel Sue at all? Damn. Fair enough. What was in golf? What is like in Camp Golf like? All right. That's it. All right, that will be it. Probably. Hold on, what time is it? Yeah, 10:57. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. So yeah, this is gonna be it. So sadly, it was a short but brief. It was a short. Oh no, where's the chair? I want to sit. Here we go. Well, guys, that's it for the stream for now. So it was short yet brief, and I'm glad everybody, and glad that I was able to play Fallout New Vegas for at least an hour. So, with that said, thank you everyone who came by in the stream. I am very glad that everybody. Thank you for everyone who came by in the stream. I always appreciate for the people who came by here. Thank you for sticking here in the beginning, or either in midway, or either right until the end. Thank you all. Thank you once again. So thanks for coming by for the stream, and I'll see you all next time. So I always appreciate for the people who came by here. Thank you for sticking here in the beginning, or either in midway, or either right until the end. Thank you all. Thank you once again.